Place the drone on a horizontal plane. Turn on the remote control switch. Push up the joystick on the left side of the remote control first, then push it down. When the green light in front of the aircraft is always on, and the red light on the back is flashing, it means that the frequency is successful. Press the geomagnetic calibration button once. The green light in front of the drone and the red light behind it will flash slowly at the same time. The drone turned clockwise and horizontally 3 times. Then the green light of the drone will flash and the red light will be on. Flashing. The GPS signal is start to search. After the search is completed, the light of the drone is always bright. Wait for the interface to pop up a prompt box, and then click OK to unlock the flight. When the orbiting button on the remote control is pressed, the aircraft automatically takes the current fixed point as the origin, so that the head is turned toward the origin. At this time, the drone in a stationary state. First move the rocker on the left side, then release the rocker. The aircraft will automatically rotate counterclockwise. First move the rocker on the right side, then release the rocker. The aircraft will automatically wrap around clockwise. By continuously dialing the side fly rocker on the remote control, you can change the speed of the drone around and change the direction of the drone. Increasing the radius of the surrounding of the aircraft can be achieved by turning the forward rocker of the remote control. Reducing the radius of the aircraft surround can be achieved by turning the remote's back rocker. Controlling the height of the aircraft surround can be achieved by turning the joystick of the remote control's throttle. The pointing flight icon on the app surface. At this point, the app switches from the image transfer interface to the map interface. Stretch and enlarge the position of the flight in the map. Then click the pen icon on the right. You can select a single waypoint or a continuous waypoint, and then set the flight path and range of the drone by drawing lines. After recording the waypoint, click the send icon under the app interface. The drone will automatically fly from the initial point to the waypoint and complete the preset flight path. By clicking the Smart Follow icon in the app's interface, then clicking on the humanoid icons, the aircraft's camera will automatically lock the target and follow the flight.
Those are the applications that you should know to learn to fly this very nice drone, the Visuo XS812 Foldable 5G with GPS GLONASS. If you like this way to learn to fly, it's very important for beginners. Please subscribe to my channel for more. Thank you.